I'm struggling to do this next video. The topic is do what you love and you'll love what you do. I teach. I had stumbled around for a while at first, found myself working graveyard, married, 2.5 kids, my third on the way, 2 cars, 2-car garage to put in the house that I had a 30-year mortgage on. I was supposed to be happy. I was supposed to have arrived. I was living the American dream. And I was a grumpy graveyard guy. I looked myself in the mirror and I said, I live in the land of the free because of the brave. I could do anything. Anything. So what do I want to do? Not what the world has told me to do. Not what my parents told me to do. What do I want to do? And looking myself in the mirror, the answer was teach. My degree in economics, I thought I would be teaching economics or social studies. The answer that came from the mirror was teach music. I thought that was crazy. I'm not very musical. I have a whole 20-minute spiel about how I was a tone-deaf kid. I am the tone-deaf music teacher. After 4 years of putting myself through school, after that moment, I became the tone-deaf music teacher. And I've chosen to teach elementary music because it brings me energy. I love it. People ask me if I like my job. I say no. I love my job. It's not even a job. I love what I do. I love working with kids. So what about this video? What about the videos I'm making? Well, I have a deep passion. I love finding out about ways to connect with an audience. Speaking. Well, then what to talk about? I decided to talk about money. Because I got in this spot as a teacher that was so tough to get through. And I want to help others get through that spot where you focus on how to make more money. Instead of focusing on spending. What did you spend? How much did we spend? How much did I spend? How much you find yourself saying spend, and that's what you focus on. Instead of how much did we make? How much did you make? How much are we making? Where are we making our money? How is it coming to us? Seeing and tracking, finding what I've called the 3 types of income. The labor income and increasing that. Passive income, focusing there. Because you have a bank account that's for just investing. Gift income. Okay, I found myself just talking a little bit too much. Why is this so hard? Because it was hard to change, and I'm currently in another change spot. That's really hard. And I just watched this video, and I'm going to put it on, about how someone sang this song about how you gotta be you. You gotta be you. You gotta do what makes you excited and passionate and enthusiastic and willing to move forward and take the risk and be vulnerable and give yourself to the world. Become Superman. Take the glasses off. The people see who you are, the powers that you have. I'm gonna put on this video, like I said, because I'm struggling right now with another moment of change, and just to share this next message of you do what you love, and then you will love what you do.
gotta be me. I gotta be me. What else can I be but what I am? I want to live, not merely survive. And I won't give up this dream of life that keeps me alive. I gotta be me. I gotta be me. The dream that I see makes me what I am. That faraway prize, a world of success, is waiting for me if I heed the call. I won't settle down, won't settle for less, as long as there's a chance that I can have it all. I'll go it alone, that's how it must be. I can't be right for somebody else if I'm not right for me. I gotta be free. I've gotta be free. Daring to try to do it or die. I've gotta be me. I'll go it alone. That's how it must be. I can't be right for somebody else if I'm not right for me. I gotta be free. I just gotta be free. Daring to try to do it or die. I gotta be me.
Looks like it's gonna try
Disney Plus,
autoplay
Hulu, and
another
ESPN Plus
commercial.
now bundled together. The greatest story.
Let's look that up. I'm no longer gonna change myself. Do it or die. I want to just survive. Don't want status quo. I'm gonna be me. And I'm gonna love what I do because I'm gonna do what I love. And there's nothing in the world that's gonna stop me. And the whole world's gonna just be surprised by me. Because I'll step out on the stage and I'll be myself. There's no one else, it's me. There's no one else that likes all the things I like. The preferences that I have. There's no one else who doesn't like the things I don't like. In fact, things I don't like, someone else likes. That's what makes all of us unique. And it brings me to this moment to choose to make a video with severe plagiarism that I'll probably not get a single penny for. All of the money will go because of the copyright that's owned by this person. I'm not making this video for money. I don't think I'm making any of these videos for money. It's all about making money. But it's all about you making money. It's add some to your income. I've already figured it out. And when you do what you love, it means all day long you're in love. All day. You wake up in the morning, you find out you got more money in your bank account. It feels like your birthday every day. And your heart is so full of gratitude. You're just so grateful to have another breath, another day. A day to live how you want to live. Do what you want to do. At the end of the day, doing what you love, you're exhausted and you sleep. You sleep so well, knowing you had a day full of passion. You lived a day. You didn't just survive. I don't want to just survive. I live. So I must say goodbye to certain friends, certain places, certain things, and live my life. And I will see you on the other side.